TikTok finally added a 3-minute feature, which means I'm going to do a 3-minute makeup look. So I'm probably going to edit it down so it's not completely 3 minutes long because I could not stand to watch a 3-minute video. So if there is clips, that's why. I'm not cheating though. I don't really know what look we're going for. Should we do a full face? Okay, we're doing a full face. Oh, that was a terrible idea. Okay, all right, I'm putting my headband on. Much better. I think we're gonna go for like a moon over the water kind of vibe. I feel like that's easy, and I can also finish it up and make it into a nice look once I finish. But I think this might turn out good. It's a lot less stressful than 60 seconds or 30 seconds or 15 seconds. I also don't have a reference for this, so I'm kind of just going off whatever my brain says to do. Okay. I don't want to do the clouds yet because I still don't know what I'm doing. This is looking kind of promising. Probably won't be my best look ever, but much better than the other 60-second ones. Okay, we're getting kind of close on time, so instead of doing like little individual stars, I'm just gonna put some like sparkles because that looks like really bad stars. Okay. Little details. Oh, that was not a good idea. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh, that might have ruined it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Those details. That's not white. That's not white. That's silver. No. No. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Happy accidents. Happy accidents. Happy accidents. Okay. 10 seconds. Okay. Fix the hair. Okay, well, this is my 3-minute makeup look. Definitely not the best. I have done worse though. Should I do part 2?